Hey, it's another week, another recipe, and today I have discovered a pie that has apparently been kept a secret from me, and I think it rivals even the best pecan pie. Come join me for this gooey goodness of a dessert. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Courtney Morris, and I cook history's forgotten recipes out of random cookbooks I find and sometimes websites. I'm glad you're here today. If you're new, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy the video and join our community by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're coming back for more, I really hope you enjoy this. All right, let's go. All right, so if you grew up in the southeast part of the United States between 1902 and probably even up to the 70s or 80s, you probably would recognize this brand, right? You probably would have had a bottle of Caro corn syrup in lieu of your maple syrup that most everybody uses on pancakes, waffles, biscuits, bacon, you name it. Caro is corn syrup and was a favorite for a long time, and in these old recipes that I've been doing now for the past, I don't know what year I've been doing this. This is a staple in a lot of things. Corn syrup is in everything. And even now today, look at the back of the labels. It's in everything. It's incredible. Now we know it's not that great for you, but man, it sure tastes good. The recipe today is from the Caro company from the 1940s, and it looks like it was on a magazine page, and the title was Deep South Peanut Pie, and here, I'll put it right here. And the little card says Deluxe Peanut Pie, and that's what we're doing today. It does say I need dark corn syrup. They didn't have dark corn syrup because our Walmart sucks real bad, and it's a trip to go anywhere, and I didn't pick some up at the last big shopping trip, so we're using light corn syrup and hoping it works. It's probably not going to be as like molasses-y tasting, but with gas prices as they are right now, I'm not really going to make an hour-long trip to go just get some dark corn syrup for today. We'll just deal. Also, this seems like the easiest pie I think we'll be ever creating on this channel. Okay, this is basically a dump pie. The instructions say mix everything and add the peanuts in last. I mean, that's literally just what they're saying. It's no partitioning anything out. So we're gonna start with 2 beaten eggs. I guess I'm just gonna go in the order it says, considering I just gotta mix everything up. Okay. Ugh. We might put Caro in this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna need a cup of this stuff, a teaspoon of vanilla. This is like the easiest thing I think I've done in a while. And a cup of sugar. So, you know, if you didn't think you had enough sweetness with a cup of corn syrup, you may as well just put in a cup of sugar. And 2 tablespoons melted butter. I'm going to guess based on this look right here, that tells me that this is going to turn into one of those like pecan pie textures. Like a pecan pie has a lot of the corn syrup in it. And I think this is about the same as a pecan pie, just with peanuts. Never had that before, and I do love me a good pecan pie. Okay, I mixed everything, and I add my cup of peanuts last. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, it said shelled and roasted, and I got shelled and roasted. I'm not sure if salted or unsalted would make a difference. Mine are salted, but they're lightly salted, so I'm not sure it would make that big of a deal. However, I do like a sweet salty mix, so maybe that's... Oh, it smells like honey roasted peanuts. Minus the honey, but it's like that's okay. I'll take that back. It smells like this, like honey roasted peanuts in the sense of like it's a sweet peanut buttery smell. It smells good. It smells good, like a peanut brittle smell ish. I know I'm going all over the place with this on all the peanut references. I got my pie crust ready ahead of time. I just decided that it was just probably something I better do beforehand, just so I'm not taking up video space, you know. And then we pour it in. I'm using a normal size pie pan. It's not a deep dish or anything. And if there is one thing that I have learned about Southern cooking, is it's good. It's rich and it's delicious. So I have some pretty high hopes for this. All right, so 400 degrees for about 40 minutes, or until a knife or a toothpick comes out clean. I need to not talk and hold this at the same time. I'm gonna spill this. All right, I'll be back in, I guess, 40 minutes. Okay, look at that bubbly. It smells like peanut brittle. It smells so good. My crust is a little on the toasty side, which I don't like, but that's what it said was 40 minutes. And Till the toothpick comes out clean. Now focus. All right, I might be calling this peanut brittle pie because this smells so good. It smells like peanut brittle. And can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but it is crunchy. I don't know if the middle's set up all the way yet. It's still slightly warm. Oops, as I'm... Unfortunately, my crust, I can't do much about it. Decided to get a little more burnt, so now it's more brittle, which sucks, but that's okay. We're just gonna try it out anyways. And yeah, okay, I was right. It is pecan pie consistency. And maybe it needed a little more time to set up, but I don't have patience for that, honestly. I just kind of want to eat it. Oh, baby. Okay, my crust sucks. Oh, check that out. Oh, it smells even better when you get into it. Ah. Okay. Okay, I'll give you an interior shot here in just a sec. I gotta try this. So, it did set up. It is a little warm yet, but you know what? I do love warm pie. So it's kind of like fresh bread. Like I make 2 loaves every time I make bread, and one of them gets eaten within about 10 minutes. So the other one is usually for sandwiches and toast, but we can't help it. Okay, let's see if this is as good as a pecan pie. Or maybe it's a whole different animal in itself. Okay, all right. This is a winner. Consistency of pecan pie. It's still a little warm, which is gooey and amazing. But it tastes exactly like peanut brittle. It is exactly. It's peanut brittle pie. This is... How did I not know about this before? I have not been making pecan pie stuff because pecans are super expensive, and so I never make it. I always have peanuts on hand. This, oh my gosh. It's sugary, it's caramelized, it's peanutty, but the salt from the peanuts, I think, adds something to it. And honestly, the flavor from using the light syrup instead of the dark syrup I was supposed to, I mean, it might make it more molassesy and more of like a brown sugary flavor, more pronounced at least, but I have no complaints on this. This is, I'm so happy. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Why does nobody make this stuff anymore? It's like, I feel like these old recipes it's so sad that they are being forgotten. Because, I mean, back then, so many people cooked, and I feel like maybe there was more potlucks. Maybe people just went to potlucks more, and then it forced them to bring stuff. But, I mean, we've got a lot of great modern recipes, I will say that. But some of these older ones, it's like, why have we forgotten about these? If I were ever to move to the South, I think the only reason I would is for the food. I think that's it. I don't like heat, I don't like humidity, I don't like bugs, and I don't like big bugs, nor inclement weather or tornadoes or hurricanes or anything like that. However, I think I could stand all of that if I could eat fried chicken and peanut pie all day. Okay, well, I have a new favorite. I mean, I think I say that every time I have a good recipe. But my gosh, this is, okay, this is in the same category as the Lazy Daisy cake I made. If you did not watch that, do that after this. I will put a link in the cards at the end of the video. Oh man, okay. I don't know what else to say about this. Like, I'm kind of mind blown to the point of like, it's Christmas in my mouth. It's peanut brittle, it's delicious, and I am blanking out on anything else that I could say because it's so good. I just kind of want to sit in a corner and just eat the whole thing. All right, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for coming to my kitchen. I'm glad that you are still here, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because this is amazing. And please, if you have not already, hit the subscribe button, join our little community. It is starting to grow, and I am super excited about it because I have so much fun trying these out, even when the recipes kind of are weird and suck. Those are still fun. But I love to hear from you in the comments. Please drop me a recipe or just say hi. I love speaking with you guys. And hit the little bell notification. It'll let you know every time I upload, which is every Monday, with a new historical experiment. Oh, and if you liked the video, please give it a like. I know it helps the algorithm show the videos to more people, and it also shows me that I'm making stuff that you guys want to watch. So, if you could do all that for me, I'd be super grateful. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Watch this video next. It's superb, just like this. And I will see you on Monday. See you later. Bye.